So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix content isn't available right now in Meta Business Suite causes and fix. So if you see the content isn't available right now, error in Meta Business Suite, it usually means there's a permissions issue, a broken link or a temporary Meta server problem. Meta Business Suite manage both Facebook and Instagram pages, so the error can appear when accessing post ads, insights and business settings. Below is a detailed step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Common causes. If you don't have proper page or business access, the post or ads was deleted or unpublished. Also business manager permission changed, expired login sessions, browser cache issues, Meta servers outages. So fixes are: check page and business permission. Most common cause. Open Meta Business Suite, then go to settings, click business settings, select accounts, then pages. Click your page, check if your name appear under people with access. Make sure you have full control or admin access. If not, ask the business owner to grant access. Fix second, log out and log back in. Sessions error are very common. Log out of Meta Business Suite, clear browsing cookies, log in back, try accessing the content again. So the fix third is clear browser cache and cookies. For Google Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select cookies and other site data and cache image and files. Click clear data. Restart browser, then reopen Business Suite. Fix 4. Check if the post or ads was deleted. If you are clicking an old link, the post may have been deleted. The ad campaign may have ended. The content may be unpublished. So how to check? Go to content, then post and stories. Switch between published, scheduled, draft, expired. If you don't see it, it may have been removed. Fix 5 is check amount count restrictions. Meta may restrict business account for policy violations. Go to business settings, then click account quality, then review policy violation, disabled assets, restricted ad accounts, resolve any flagged issued. Then the fix 6 is try incognito or private mode. Open a private browsing window in Chrome, Ctrl plus Shift plus N, or Firefox, Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Log in and test again. If it works, your extensions are likely interfering. Fix 7 is disable browser extension. Ad blockers and privacy tools can break business suits. Temporarily disable AdBlock, VPN extension, privacy shields, then refresh the page. Fix 8 is check Meta server status. Sometimes the issue is on Meta's side. You can check in official Meta status page, then down director. If servers are down, wait for 1 to 2 hours. So 9th fixes are accesses directly via Facebook page. Instead of Business Suite, open your page on Facebook, click Professional Dashboard, then try managing content from there. Sometimes Business Suite has glitches while Facebook work fine. So if you still see the error, try this advanced reset. Remove yourself from page access, ask admin to re-add you, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then log out and back in. To remove access, open Meta Business Suite in settings. Then go to business settings, accounts, then pages. Select the page. Under people, click your name, click remove, confirm removal. Thank you.